Welcome to Florence, Italy, or Firenze as the Italians call it. Florence is a timeless masterpiece where art, history and culture collide in a symphony of beauty. In this whirlwind tour, we'll explore the city's captivating highlights. Let's begin our journey into this gorgeous city in Tuscany, Italy. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, is home to a treasure trove of art and architecture. The Florence Cathedral, the Uffizi Gallery, and the Accademia Gallery, where Michelangelo's David stands tall, are a must visit in this beautiful city. Stroll along the Arno River and take in breathtaking views of Florence's historic bridges, including the famous Ponte Vecchio, with its charming jewelry shops. Piazza della Signoria, an open-air museum, is the heart of Florence. Admire the remarkable sculptures, including a replica of Michelangelo's David, and revel in the lively atmosphere. Florence's narrow cobble streets are also known as vicoli, and they hide enchanting cafes, artisan boutiques and gelaterias. Explore these alleyways to discover the city's local charm. The Oltrarno district on the south bank of the Arno is known for its artisan workshops. Watch skilled craftsmen create leather goods, jewelry or traditional Florentine paper. Florence's culinary scene is a delight for the taste buds. Savor authentic Tuscan cuisine, from succulent bistecca alla fiorentina to hearty ribollita soup. Don't forget to try the creamy gelato. They have so many amazing gelaterias in Florence. You'll be in foodie heaven. As the sun sets over the city, Florence transforms into a romantic wonderland. Climb the Piazzale Michelangelo for a panoramic view over the city that will take your breath away. Florence is the gateway to the Chianti wine region. Enjoy a day tour to the vineyards and savor some of Italy's finest wines while experiencing the Tuscan countryside. Florence is a city that encapsulates the pinnacle of human achievement in art, culture and history. It's a place that inspires awe, whether you're an art enthusiast or just a lover of beauty. So come, explore the captivating highlights of Florence, where art, history and culture merge into an unforgettable adventure. Arrivederci. And by the way, subscribe to our channel and check out our food tour for Florence, because you will definitely want to see all the favorite spots that we found for you to have the best food in town. See you soon. Bye.